Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to apply for franchise financing using Lendio. If you're starting or expanding a franchise, Lendio helps to match you with lenders that specialize in franchise funding. Here's how to apply. First, sign into your Lendio account on Lendio's website. Once you're on your dashboard, click Apply for a Loan. Now select Franchise Financing from the loan options. You're going to need to enter your business details such as your franchise brand, years in operation or startup, as well as revenue if applicable. Go ahead and provide franchise documentation such as franchise disclosure documents or franchise agreements. Upload your business plan outlining operations, growth strategies, and projected revenue. Once you're done, submit required financial documents as tax returns, bank statements, and personal financial statements. Also going to need to fill in your ownership details, including percentage ownership as well as credit history. Double check your entries to make sure all are accurate, and if it is, go ahead and click Submit Application. Lendio will then contact you with lenders offering franchise-specific financing solutions. This loan type is tailored for franchises, covering startup costs as well as working capital and expansion needs. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.